Hi friends, this is the spelling test for Unit 25. Make sure you have your name on your paper and you are ready to go. I'm going to read the word to you, use it in a sentence, and then I'll read the word to you again. So you need to pause. If you need to rewind, do it at any time. Okay? All right, word number 1, boy. The boy lost his recess for the week. Boy. Number 2, enjoy. I hope you enjoy your summer break. Enjoy. Number 3, toy. The puppy got a brand new toy. Toy. Number 4, joy. It brings me great joy to see students learning how to spell. Joy. Number 5, destroy. You can destroy a Chromebook if you drop it in water. Destroy. Number 6, oil. Oil does not mix with water. Oil. Number 7, soil. Soil is another name for dirt. Soil. Number 8, join. In Schoology, you have to join a class. Join. Number 9, point. The point where two sides meet on a shape is called its vertex. Point. Number 10, boil. Water will boil at 366 degrees. Boil. Okay, that was your 10 spelling words. Here are your dictation sentences. There are 3 of them. Sentence number 1, did the boy enjoy his toy? Sentence number 2, can you point to the soil? Sentence number 3, do not spoil the joy. All right, that concludes your spelling test. I hope you did well.